Alright, y'all. Here's how we make barbecue in South Carolina. Some people might call us South Kakalaki, South Carolina, the Carolinas, or whatever. But here in upstate South Carolina, this is how we make barbecue. We got us an iron frying pan. We got us some canned pork, pulled pork with barbecue sauce. We pour it in this iron frying pan. Simple. I got this at the Dollar General store. I mean, just regular old pulled pork barbecue. Next thing I want to do is spread this barbecue out evenly across the surface of the iron skillet that I have on a glass top stove. And before anybody comments in the video below and asks me, how do you season your iron frying pan? I'm going to tell you the truth, I don't. This thing is old as fuck. It's old. It's an old frying pan. It's been passed down through the family. It's a big, giant iron skillet. I don't season it. I wash it just like I do the rest of my dishes, let it dry. It's a good source of iron for those who are anemic. And while that's reaching temperature, I got it on high, by the way. Got me some of this seasoning. I'm gonna add it. I like that Creole taste. Oh, you haven't seen it yet. We're not done. We still got a few steps to go. South Carolina barbecue is not South Carolina barbecue without this next ingredient. Give me a minute, I'll be right back with it. It's mustard. It doesn't matter what brand, just mustard. Draw you a happy face of mustard inside your barbecue. There you go. It's that simple, folks. This is Carolina barbecue. So we have drawn a smiley face of mustard into our barbecue. That's the secret ingredient. Just yellow mustard. It don't matter what brand. You just want to mix it up really well. Carolina barbecue. That freaking simple. It's kind of like hot dog chili and mustard with pork. Now, I've been holding something out. You have to have Sweet Baby Ray's. You have to have it. This is what takes it from South Carolina barbecue to your own barbecue. Put as much as you want in here. You got a good bit in there. You want to stir it up. And we want to return the heat to high. Alright, that's done. We're on high. And any second here, it's ought to start sizzling. Sorry about the low lighting. This is how you make South Carolina barbecue. Pulled pork, mustard, and Sweet Baby Ray's. Stir it all up real good. You turn it to high temperature, let it start boiling again, then turn it off. You are ready to go. Alright, we're boiling. So I'm going to go ahead and take this and turn it off. I'm going to stir some. Like a stir fry, folks. That's how we make barbecue in South Carolina on a glass top stove with our iron skillet passed down through the generations. Looks good, dude. Looks good, don't it? Now, if you're going to make somebody like your hot wife something to eat, You got to use these Nature's Own butter rolls. They are delicious. What I'm going to do is open these up and put some barbecue on top of them and take them to her. I hope she enjoys them. Now, I know there are some of you that's heard of SOS. Shit on shingles. But you shit out of luck if you don't know how to make some Carolina barbecue. And I promise you, she'll be happy. If you like my video, please subscribe and comment below. Thank you.